My name is Mpelo from Angaliba TV and FM.
Good evening, Chair. My name is Breton Chonga from Radio Islam.
Thank you so much. Controlling officer, we will hand over to you. You introduce yourself, but there are two things that you need to take into account. When making the introduction, you can state your name, your position, then you proceed to indicate whether you're coming from teachers union and whatnot, so that people get to know you from where you're coming. Are you coming from the employer? All those things. So anyone doing introductions, kindly do that so that we get to know you from the institution you're coming from. I understand that you've prepared a PowerPoint presentation. Like I indicated, we'll give you space after the introductions and the oath has been taken, then you do as per your request. Controlling officer, you may proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. My name is Chizaso Eric Nyirongo. I'm the chairman of the Public Service Pension Trust Fund. I'll now invite my colleagues to make their self-introductions. Thank you.
Honorable Chairperson and Honorable Committee members, my name is Precious Chimbamba. I am the Vice Chairperson for the fund, and I represent the employee side, specifically the Civil Service Trade Union. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Chairperson. I am Idrissa Mwale.